Hello student, today we are going to study new topic of the same chapter, that is changes around us, part 2, in which we will study expansion or on heating is a reversible change. So basically I can say the increase in size on heating is called expansion. When you heat any object and the size of the object is getting increased, that is called expansion. Expansion means increase in size. The decrease in size of an object on cooling is called contraction. Contraction means decrease in size. The reversible change of expansion is used in fixing an iron rim on the wooden wheel of a cart, in fixing the iron blade of a digging tool to a wooden handle. Let's discuss one by one. Fixing of iron rim to the wooden wheel of cart. So you can see in this picture, this is a rim, okay? And now when you give some heatness to this rim, the rim of this the size of the rim gonna expand, and you have to fix it in a wooden wheel. ठीक है, आप इसको wooden wheel में fix कीजिएगा. And when you pour into the water, the size of this rim gonna decrease and it can be easily fixed. So we can say size increase हुआ और उसके बाद से again it decrease. It's come back to the original shape, that is called expansion or contraction, and it is a reversible change. Now come to the point. The wooden wheel of a bull cart and horse cart having thin iron rim. This rim are fitted around the wooden wheels by the pry of expansion on heating. So you have to heat. The iron rim is heated uniformly by making a fire, due to which it expands and becomes somewhat bigger in size. Being bigger in size, the iron rim is easily put around the wooden wheel. Cold water is then poured over the hot rim to cool it. And when it on cooling, the hot iron rim contract and fit tightly on to the wooden wheel. Now next point is fixing of iron blade of a digging tool to a wooden handle. So basically I can show you, this is your iron blade. This is your iron blade, okay? And you have to fix this wood and this iron blade in a hole. So for that you have to give some heatness to this iron blade. आप इसमें heat दोगे, and then after that the size of this iron blade gonna increase. Now you can easily fix this wooden into this iron blade, and now providing some coolness, this the size of this iron blade gonna decrease. And in this way you can easily fit. So let's read it and understand the concept. How the iron blade of spade has a ring in which the wooden handle is to be fixed. To fix the handle, the iron blade of spade is heated over a fire. So iron blade जो है आपको heat करना पड़ेगा. On heating, the iron ring expands and becomes slightly bigger in size. Now the wooden handle easily passes through the hot iron ring. The cold water is then poured over the hot ring of the spade blade to cool it. On cooling, the hot ring of spade blade contracts and fits tightly onto the wooden handle. So it can easily fit. Thank you for today. We will discuss it tomorrow.